Hi, I'm Cheryl Good. I'm a complementary health practitioner at the Sanctuary. And one of the roles that I have here is supporting people into coming fully back into their bodies as sexual beings. So that could be called sexual healing. Typically not two words that you would hear in the same sentence, yet they're very relevant. And the perspective that I bring to this topic is that sexual energy is the energy that creates everything that is alive. Everything that is living has a component of this energy that wants to create more. And as humans, we're very much a part of the cycle of creating more. So this powerful energy, literally the energy that creates all of life, is often not available fully. And that comes through so many different ways that is compressed. It could be anything from, as a child, being shamed for finding your own genitals. It could be what your particular thought tradition, your faith tradition has taught you about your body. It can be sexual dishonoring. It could be sexual abuse, sexual assault. And what that does is that it erodes what is truly our birthright, which is to feel that complete connection, that heart to genital connection, which informs life. So I talk about this subject not as like, how do two body parts come together? I come to how do you come together within yourself? How do you create a sense of inner safety when your safety has been shaken, when that has been taken from you? So I facilitate ways, first, to create inner safety. And because your longest term relationship is with yourself, that is really your primary relationship, is you to you. And when you have access fully to that sense of vitality, that sense of creativity, that sense of being alive, your life feels different. It feels like every moment you can be embracing life. And that is, to me, such an important part of the gift of being alive.